Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha and myself Usha. In this video, I'll walk you through how to hide or remove an application from iPhone home screen. Also, I'll be demonstrating how to unhide the application or get back the hidden application back to home screen. I'll be demonstrating this on iPhone 10 and the iOS version that is running on this device is 14.7.1 and I'll be demonstrating this with voiceover screen reader. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, let's see how to hide or remove an application from home screen. Before that, let's check what are the different applications present in this home screen. Okay, I'll just navigate to top of the screen.
Teams, 3 new items.
Teams, I'll
Double
swipe
tap to
right.
open. Word. Outlook, 374, page 3 of 3.
Page 3 of 3, that means I am in the third page of home screen. I'll swipe right.
Dock, phone.
Messages,
5, music.
So music is the last application in this home screen. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to hide or remove Teams application. Okay, so in order to do that, focus to Teams application.
Teams, 3 new items.
Flick down once or swipe down once.
Edit mode.
So voiceover says edit mode. Double tap.
Started editing.
Started editing. Okay, once voiceover says started editing, flick down.
Delete.
So once you hear delete, double tap.
Alert. Remove Teams.
So remove confirmation dialog has popped up. I'll swipe right.
Removing from home screen will keep the app in your app library.
So what this essentially means is once you remove or hide this application from home screen, that you will find in app library. Okay, let's swipe and check what are the other options present in this dialog.
Delete app button.
Delete app button. I'll swipe right.
Remove from home screen button.
Remove from home screen.
Cancel button. Cancel button.
So cancel is the last option in this dialog. If I double tap on this cancel button, app will not get removed from the home screen. Okay, I'll just navigate to
delete app button.
Delete app button. Now, if you invoke this option delete app, what will happen is this app or whichever app you are trying to remove, that app will completely get deleted from the device itself. Okay, so here I don't want to delete the app completely from the device. Instead, I just want to remove the app from the home screen. So select this
delete app
option only when you want to delete the app completely from the device. So I don't want to delete the app. I'll just swipe.
Remove from home screen button.
Remove from home screen. So I'll double tap here.
Word. Double tap to open. Use 3D touched.
So once I double tapped on remove from home screen button, there was no confirmation as such like app got removed from the home screen. Instead, focus landed on the home screen itself. So let's cross check if Teams application got removed from home screen or not. If you remember, before performing this remove from home screen action, I navigated across the screen, home screen, to check what are the different applications present on this home screen, where Teams was the first application present in this home screen. Now let's check if Teams application got hidden or removed from this home screen or not.
Row 1, Word.
So now Word is the first application here. That means Teams application got removed, got hidden from the home screen. But still, let's cross check by navigating from top to bottom in this home screen.
Row 1, Word, Outlook, 300, page 3 of 3, dock, phone, messages, 5 on music.
So I'm not able to find Teams application in this home screen, which means Teams application got hidden or removed from the home screen. In this way, you can keep your home screen very much organized, by removing all those applications which you don't want to see them on the home screen. By doing so, your home screen will be very much neat and tidy. Now, let's see how to get back the removed or hidden application back to the home screen. If you remember, when I was trying to remove the application from home screen, one dialog box popped up wherein it was clearly mentioned like, whatever application we are removing, that you can find it in app library. So in order to get that application back, first we need to go to app library. Now how to go to app library? Just swipe all the way left with 3 fingers. Now let me check in which page I am right now.
Word, Outlook, page 3 of 3.
Page 3 of 3. That means there are 3 home screen and I am currently in 3rd, which is the last home screen. So when you are at the last home screen, you have to just swipe left with 3 fingers once to reach app library. And suppose that you are in the first home screen, say page 1 of 3, then you have to keep swiping left with 3 fingers till you reach app library. Now that I am already in the last page, that is page 3 of 3, I'll just swipe left once with 3 fingers to reach app library. I'll just swipe left with 3 fingers once.
App library, search field.
Now in this app library screen, you can either swipe right all the way to the application which you want to get back to the home screen, or else you can directly search for the application using search field. Now I'll just try to search for the application Teams, as Teams is the application which I'm trying to get back to home screen.
App library, search field.
So now I am at search field. I'll just double tap here.
App library, search field. Cap Y, Cap T, Cap T, E, E, Q, A, N, M, W, A, S.
So let me check for the application.
Clear tag, Teams, click cancel, but Teams. Actions available.
Now I have searched for Teams app and my current focus is at Teams app. Now what I'll do is I'll just set my rotor to actions.
Describe images, headings, containers, sound, volume, speaking, words, character, actions.
Now my rotor is set to actions. Now what I'll do is I'll keep flicking down to check what are the different actions available for this app.
Drag Teams.
Drag Teams.
Activate, default. Drag Teams. Activate, default.
So there are 2 actions available for this app. Flick down back to, drag Teams.
Drag Teams.
And once voiceover says drag Teams, just double tap.
Started editing, add widget, button, done, word, is at.
Okay, so you will be taken to home screen. Now what you need to do is you need to choose the location where you want to drop the application. I'll just drop the application in the same page, in whichever page I am right now. I remember Word is in 3rd page, so I'll just drop the application in the 3rd page itself. You can just choose the location wherever you want, you can drop the application. Suppose that you want to drop the application in page 1 or home screen 1, just navigate to home screen 1 and drop there. Or if you want to drop the application in home screen 2, just navigate to home screen 2 and drop there. Now here I'll just drop the application in whichever page I am currently in. Okay. So I am in page 3 now.
Outlook. Word is editing. Outlook is editing.
Okay, so Word and Outlook application is there. Now what I'll try to do is I'll try to drop Teams application in between Word and Outlook. Okay, so in order to do that, you just focus to any of these 2 applications. I'll just focus to
Word is editing.
Word and then flick down.
Stop editing app. Add to drag session. Drop Teams before Word. Drop ready.
Drop Teams before Word. Okay, so if I double tap here, Teams application will get dropped before Word. But here I want to drop Teams, in between Word and Outlook. That means I need to drop after Word. Okay, I'll just flick down again.
Drop Teams after Word. Drop ready.
Okay, drop Team after Word. So I'll just double tap here.
Drop complete.
Drop complete. Once drop action is completed, just double tap on Done button.
Done button. Done. Cell.
Now let's navigate in this home screen and cross check if Teams application is back to home screen, and that too if it got dropped exactly where I wanted, that is in between Word and Outlook application or not. Let's check.
Word.
Okay, Word.
Double tap to open.
I'll swipe right.
Teams. 2 new items.
Yes.
Outlook. 380 new.
So as you can notice, Teams application is not only back to home screen, it got dropped exactly where I wanted, that is in between Word and Outlook application. In this way, you can remove or hide any of the application from home screen and unhide it or get that same application back to home screen from app library.
Speech off.
That's all for today, friends. If this podcast was helpful to you in any way, do give a thumbs up, hit the bell icon to get the latest notification, and do share it. This is Usha signing off. See you in next podcast. Thank you.